All right, so the question is, which graph represents this equation? Now, there's going to be multiple choice if you do this question on Edmentum. All right, but basically, you're just going to graph this in a graphing calculator. And I know some key features just based on the numbers. So let's talk about the key features first. This 1/2, that's going to have a compression factor on it. It's going to compress it to some degree vertically. It's going to take the y values and make them 1/2. In other words, if y was supposed to be 4, now it'll be 2, sort of. Just so think of this as like a vertical compression. There's shifting and stuff that's taking place. So this -6, okay, this is, if I plug in 0 for x, this term goes away, this term goes away, and this will be my y-intercept. In other words, my y-intercept will happen at x equals 0, y equals -6. It's positive because my a term, and let's label that real quick too. All these things do something. A is my leading coefficient. A is 1/2. B is just the 2. And C is the y-intercept, which is -6. All right, so that's important. And I'm thinking in terms of y equals ax squared plus b x plus c. Now b is a shift. It's a shift on the flipped quadratic. So if you consider the function y equals -x squared, this 2 is going to shift it a little bit. I want to say to the left. I can't remember. I'm a little rusty. I think it's going to shift it, the vertex, like the vertex will be like over here somewhere. Okay. So anyways, to find the graph of this, I'm just going to plug it into my graphing calculator. So I'm going to turn on my graphing calculator. I've got some stuff in there. I'm going to hit y equals. I'm going to clear this out. I'm going to clear this out. Go up to the top right here, y1. To get to this graphing function, you're always going to hit y equals. If you want to clear something out, you hit the clear button. Okay. And I think what I'll do is I'm gonna put this up here too so you can see it a little better. Okay. So now to graph this thing, I'm going to put in parentheses 1 divided by 2 times the quantity x squared, right, plus 2x minus 6. Okay. And then I'm just going to hit graph. Oh, I was off a little bit. I said it was going to cross through -3 and 1, but I forgot. Yeah, it's going to be negative, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2. Yeah. Oh, you multiply by 2. Okay. I went backwards on that. So anyways, this is the graph. There's some key features here to this graph. And I'm just going to copy and paste this right here on the screen. So the key features that we're going to be mindful of are the intercepts. Okay. This is occurring at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -6, comma 0. This is occurring at 1, 2. So this is the x-intercept of 2, comma 0. And then the y-intercept should be at -6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0, comma -6. Now, if you notice, 6 times 2 equals 12, but if you take 1/2 of that, guess what it equals? 6. That's no accident, okay? So when you go to look for the multiple choice answer, you're going to look for a graph, a parabola that opens up. By the way, I knew that it opened up because my A term was positive. And it crosses through these 3 points. The x-intercepts are -6, 0, and 2, 0, and the y-intercept is 0, -6. That was pretty easy.